Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's get started. First, open Excel on your laptop and select a blank worksheet. In the first column, name it first and start entering names. For example, you can add names like Moon, Alicia, Sarah, and so on. Feel free to enter around 15 names with some duplicates included for testing. Once you have entered the data, select the entire column. Now go to the top menu and click on the Data tab. On the right side, you will see an option called Remove Duplicates. Click on it. A pop-up will appear. Make sure to check the box that says My data has headers. Then select the column name you want to check for duplicates. In this case, it's first and checked already. Finally, click OK. Excel will automatically remove the duplicate entries and show you how many were removed. And that's it, a simple and reflective way to clean up your Excel data in just a few clicks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.